Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. If you want to change your email on Bybit, here's a step-by-step guide to update it safely using the Bybit mobile application. First, open your Bybit application and make sure to log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon at the top right. Tap on security from the list of options. Under the email section, tap change my registered email. You will see a notice changing your email disables withdrawals and P2P for 24 hours and you won't be able to change your email again for 7 days. Tap OK to proceed. Tap get code to receive a verification code and check your mailbox. If you use SMS or Google Authenticator, you will need to enter those codes too. Go to your Google Authenticator app and look for the code. Tap confirm. Now enter your new email address and then tap get code to receive a new email verification code to your new email address. Check your mailbox. Once done, tap OK. And that's how you change your email address on Bybit. Remember, withdrawals will be locked for 24 hours for security. If this video helped, like and follow for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.